We got a clearer picture for Region 4A in the wake of the Habagat rains. We are joined by Rayan Derek Marquez. He is a spokesperson of the Office of Civil Defense Calabarzon and Chief of the DRRM Division. Welcome to One News Now, sir. Thank you for joining us.
Good afternoon, Diego. Good afternoon, everyone.
All right, sir. Of course, we're still experiencing some rains, but as of now po, meron na po tayong verified figures for, God forbid, fatalities and injuries and missing persons?
We are still verifying po yung reported sa amin, but as of reporting time, meron pong reported na 6 na casualties and 1 missing. But we are still reporting and we're still verifying, validating this report.
Pero kamusta na po on the ground ang situation in terms sa mga flood? Nag-recede na po yung baha?
Sa ngayon naman po, may mga areas po na nag-recede, may mga areas po naman po na still flooded. For now, ang Calabarzon po, nakakaranas pa rin po ng cloudy skies with occasional light rains. Ito po yung pangkalahatan po natin. At the same time, sa Cavite, may mga light rains pa po, pati sa Lucena.
Alright, kausap po natin kanina kasi yung Pag-asa at tila sabi nila the worst may be over for at least this next few days. Pero given na mag-i-improve na paunti-unti yung pag-ulan, ano po ang tugon natin with regards to yung mga na-evacuate sa mga evacuation centers? Ano po head count nila and may recommendation na po ba na pwede silang bumalik anytime soon?
It is up to the local government units kung safe na makabalik sa kanilang lugar. Again, what we are doing din sa iba is yung preemptive evacuation. So kung makita rin natin na doon sa lugar nila are still posible pa rin magkaroon ng mga flooding at the same time magkaroon pa rin ng mga landslide, they will be staying pa rin sa kanilang mga evacuation center.
Okay, kasi nakikita rin natin kasi sa mga video, no? Ang dami pong video naglalabasan sa social media. Pero ano po ang nakita nyo with regards to damage sa agriculture, livestock, sa mga fisheries?
Sa ngayon, wala pa po tayong pumapasok ng mga reports on damages and losses.
And kamusta naman po ang mga, yung mga daanan natin? Impassable ba or passable na? Tapos yung communication lines natin, are they okay?
We have received reports that there are at least 74 power interruptions monitored within 12 local government units and 28 of which are already restored. Tapos meron po tayong 2 water interruptions sa municipalities of Mabini, Batangas, and Ternate, Cavite. There's no reported network interruptions po reporting time sa ating po mga signal ng mga telepono. And as of ito po, as of 12 midnight kagabi, 38 roads, bridges, and spillway po at 3 po dito yung apektado ng monsoon rains and 22 local roads. So, yung 2 local bridges po ay nasa Batangas City po. They are impassable to all type of vehicles.
Okay, last question na po on my part. Kamusta na po? Are there isolated communities? And if so po, paano sila, how can they reach out to most of you if they need help?
Wala naman po reported na isolated community. We are coordinating with all the local government units and kami po, magkakasama po kami sa Emergency Operations Center, EOC, para malaman po kung may mga pangangailangan. So far po, receive naman po ng Office of Civil Defense, ang Regional Disaster Risk Reduction Management Council, sapat pa naman po yung mga food and non-food items sa mga local government units, and in case that they need mga food and non-food items po, we are ready to augment po. At ito po ay mga naka-position po sa mga local government units.
Alright, well that's good to hear. I will stay in touch with you. Maraming salamat po, Rayan Derek Marquez, Office of the Civil Defense, Calabarzon.